In the previous video lecture, we will discuss some trusted suppliers at dropshipping, and in this video lecture, we discuss the remaining trusted suppliers of dropshipping. The first one is Mega Goods. Mega Goods, founded in 2004, is one of the leading distributors and dropshippers of consumer electronics and video game related products at wholesale prices. Don't let that dated websites fool you. They provide excellent service and quality merchandise. Customers electronics such as headphones, gaming accessories, home stereo system, camera and TVs. The general service pricing fee is $14.99 per month. The next one is Albany Distributing. Albany Distributing is a wholesaler and dropshipping supplier of consumer electronics. After sign up, you will be provided with access to their product data feed that can be linked up with your e-commerce store and other platforms like Amazon, Shopify and WooCommerce. The company offers over 40,000 products from 600 brand name manufacturers at wholesale price. Orders placed by 3 p.m. EST and dispatched the same business day, and shipments can be made worldwide. Albany Distributing also generates what they call super blind dropshipping. This means that their name will remain invisible to your customers. In addition, they accept returns on most items within 30 days. What they sell: customer electronics like laptop, printers, phone accessories, offer supplies and more. The next one is Ratchet Cannon Jewelry. Ratchet Cannon Jewelry is a leading manufacturer and wholesaler of fine jewelry, gold, silver and diamond, established in the New York Diamond District in 1999. The company offers over 3,000 unique items with no minimum order limited for dropshipping accounts. Shipping is available both locally and internationally. Their product feed is automatically updated in real time and compatible with eBay, Amazon and Shopify. Go to the dropship page or check out their extensive FAQ to find out more. What they sell: the first is jewelry, chains, bracelets, earrings, rings, necklace, pendants and more. Monthly fee is $29.99 with no long-term commitment. If you want, you can have a 7-day free trial to make sure that it's good match for your business. The next supplier is Gold and Diamonds. Gold and Diamonds include was founded in 1998. It is one of the largest manufacturers and wholesale of gold, silver, platinum and diamond jewelries in the US. The company has a total of 93 employees across all of its locations and generates 8.95 million in sales a year. They offer a truly massive range of products, over 80,000 unique items ready for immediately shipping, usually on the same day. Contact them directly or go to their dropshipping page to find out more. What they sell: jewelry like gold, silver, platinum and diamond. The next supplier is Ancient Wisdom. Ancient Wisdom is a wholesaler operating a modern 30,000 square feet distribution warehouse. It offers 10,000 products that are produced in India, Indonesia, Nepal and China. In addition, they manufacture bathroom and home fragrance products. Ancient Wisdom has been dropshipping since 2019 with over 5,000 products lines available for this service. They offer low minimum order limits and delivery charges. What they sell: jewelry, bathroom products, and home fragrance item, gifts and gift packing, eco and fashion bags. The next supplier is Urban Country Decor. Urban Country Decor is a dropshipping supplier headquartered in Canada. It offers a wide range of furniture and home decor products. The merchandise is shipped from their fulfillment location in Ontario or directly from the manufacturer within 7 to 14 business days. What they sell? They sell furniture, floor mats, and home decor accessories. The next one is Wholesale Interiors. What they are? Wholesale Interior has been selling furniture online in 2002. The company focuses on meeting and exceeding industry standards by hiring, training, and retraining the finest craftspeople. Their inventory consists of over 350 unique designs and over 1500 stock keeping units. What they sell? Furniture including commercial. The next one is Eastmind Wholesale Gift Distributor. Wholesale Gift Distributor is a wholesaler for unique home decor, accessories, gifts, and seasonal merchandise with a massive range of different products. Shipment are completed within 1 to 3 days, and there is no minimum order limit, which gives you some extra flexibility. For more information on their dropshipping condition, visit their FAQ page. What they sell: home decor products, candles, gifts, home accessories, jewelry, kitchen accessories, toys, and more. The next one is Park Designs. Park Designs has been in business for over 2 decades, selling home and kitchen textiles, decorative accessories, and lighting fixtures at wholesale prices. Check out their dropshipping sections for available items. What they sell: kitchen accessories, lighting fixtures, rugs, bath towels, and more. The next one is Beauty Joint. Beauty Joint is one of the leading online wholesaler and dropshippers for makeup, skincare, and other beauty products for women. The company offers both name brand products and unique artisanal beauty brands. All products are available on their international delivery. Check out their dropshipping page for more information. They sell makeup, nail polish, skincare, and hair products. The next one is Green Dropship. Green Dropship is a dropshipping supplier offering across to over 20,000 natural, organic, gourmet, and specific product. All items can be imported to your Shopify, WooCommerce, and Marketplace account and sold either individually or in bulk. Natural and organic body care products included vitamins and supplements, health and wellness item, household and baby products. The pricing is membership of their dropshipping program cost $149 per year. The next one is Vulcan Earth. Vulcan Earth is a unique manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, and export to organic, eco-friendly skin and hair care products. All products are made with Vulcan ash, pumice, and tamuna oil on the basis of old but golden recipe of people for Republic of Vietnam. These products are available in dropshipping. Register to see products or other patients' information. They can sell skin care, hair, and other products. The next one is Strawberry Net. Strawberry Net is an industry leading e-commerce company that sells and delivers beauty and skincare products to 190 plus countries around the world. Their product range comprises over 33,000 items from one than 800 brands. The fact that Strawberry Net has been going strong for 20 years plus is proof enough that it doesn't sell cheap, low quality products or provide substandard customer services. Shipments are dispatched within 24 hours and have a 30-day returning guarantee. Check out their partner program for more information on dropshipping. That can sell makeup, skincare products, perfume, home scents, hair care products, and etc. Thank you very much.